So Lewis, what is your inspiration? You've done these amazing endurance swims.
As you know, at the moment, there are about 1 million species of plant and animal that are at real risk of going extinct. And that really drives me to, come up with these swims where I can carry a message about how important it is that we protect these really important areas of the world. But a question for you, so you've worked your whole career now for people on the planet. Where did it start?
My grandmother, she was from north of the Arctic Circle. When you're living in this very sparse environment, it's a fishing village,
yes.
You're completely dependent on nature and what nature will do for you.
Yeah.
I think that inspiration of understanding nature and having respect for it, but also be mindful that without it, we have nothing. Now, what inspires that activism in you?
When I look at the planet, and I've been up in the Arctic, down in Antarctica, across the Red Sea, and I see the big changes which are taking place, we can no longer be bystanders. We've got to dive in, and we've really got to highlight what's happening to the planet and what ordinary members of the public can do, what business can do, what governments can do. And so I try to find places around the world where I can really carry a message. Inga, when you think about this triple planetary crisis, and you're seeing it every day, you go around the world and you're seeing the evidence, what gives you hope?
It's that kind of activism and much more gives me hope. People who are speaking up, people who are standing up,
yes.
People who are making shifts. And we are. Now, it's too slow and we have to do more, but we are seeing that it is possible to turn this around for the next generation. That's what gives me hope.
Thanks so much, Inga.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.